Welcome back to Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to change the ignition on our 1000-watt e-racer. It's not that difficult. It's just a couple plugs and actually just one plug, I think. And we'll get it out of there, but I'll show you how to snap it out of there too. I'm just going to get my camera to position and I'll be right back here at the unit. So first thing we're going to do is pop off the seat. All you have to do is reach under the fender, grab there's a little tab, just lift it up and pull back at the same time. And our seat is exposed. So here's all of our wiring. If yours has a boot on it, it's not a big deal. Just take the zip ties and cut them off. This one doesn't have a boot on it, so all the wires are exposed. So we're going to come down to our to our ignition, which is right here on the right side. And the ignition is right here. And all I'm going to do first is follow this wire up to where the plug is, and I can see the plug here. It comes to a red plug right there. That's it. So we're going to unplug that like that. Now our ignition, there's two tabs on each side. There's one on that side and one on that side. You just got to squeeze them and then you can start pushing the ignition out just like that. And this is the way you'll get your ignition. It'll be probably rolled up like this. So all you have to do, you're going to take this tab and line it up at the top right here. You'll notice there's a little tab there, so we can go ahead and put our wire in, and we'll plug it back in a sec. And let's get the wire fed through there so I can show you what I'm talking about. So again, this little tab right here lines up with the tab in the top. So we just give it a little maneuver in there like that, and then lock it into place until it clicks like that. And then when you turn the key, it's like that. And then we take our wire back up and come back down to our ignition wire right here, which is a green and a blue wire. And we're going to connect our ignition wire back into it. Now, if you had to cut any zip ties at all to take it down, go ahead and replace them. And that's it. And now if we turn our key on, you get full power. And that's it, guys. And that is how you change the ignition on a 1000-watt e-racer.